Ford's Lidleys, the babies. I came across a 42,000 mile 2003 Ford Ranger. 42,000 miles. Anyway, so it got me thinking. Is the OG Ford Ranger about the same size as the new Ford Ranger? Or is the OG Ford Ranger about the same size as a new Ford Maverick? Hi, welcome to Hobley Motorsports. My name is Hobley. That's Ford of Murfreesboro in the background. I don't sell cars. But I would like to take a second and say thank you, Ford of Murfreesboro, for allowing me to play with your cars and play in your sandbox. Anyway, back to our show. Ford smaller trucks. This is a 2003. This is a 2025 and a 2025. The window sticker happens to be right here in my pocket. I'm so excited about this window sticker. $16,000 is how much that truck was brand new in 2003. Now, Case, that's cheap as crap. Well, there's nothing on this truck. It's got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, and that's about it. Oh, it's got a CD player. But it's still a great truck. I'm not knocking it. OG Ford Rangers, that's a motherfucking Ford Ranger. They didn't get that kind of language behind them and that kind of pedigree for nothing. They are awesome. Now, right here is Ford's new little small truck. It's not new, it's been out for a few years. But anyway, the Ford Maverick is almost the same size as that. Now, back in the day, you could get a extended cab Ranger or a short bed regular cab like that. I don't think you could get a 4-door yet. But anyway, this is the only cab configuration you can get. Let me explain something to you just real quick. That's not a real truck. The Maverick's not. It's built off of a car platform. It shares a platform with the Bronco Sport and also the Ford Escape. The Escape's hanging on for one more year, but it's not going to be sold in some states. But anyway, that's another topic. This truck is about $34,000 right here. Now, this is kind of middle of the road XLT. We got cloth seats, no hole in the roof up there. Oh, $35,000, excuse me. But we do have all-wheel drive and the 2-liter EcoBoost turbo engine. Over there, it has a 4-cylinder as well, but no turbo. Here it is, the latest Ford Ranger. This is an STX model, which means it's pretty much base, but we do get some good-looking wheels or steel wheels as opposed to just the steelies. But anyway, kind of more of a lower trim level. Let's see how much this Ford Ranger is. Same price as the Ford Maverick. So that's a 2003. Both of these are 25s. 22 years and we've doubled in price. 22 years and the small truck has doubled in price. Casey, that's really not a fair comparison. I agree, it's really not. Once again, I'm shocked that I found that window sticker. I can't believe it. But see how small this generation Ford Ranger is compared to the new Ford Ranger? Now, the Ford Ranger went on the shelf for a few years after that generation. It went away in the United States. It was sold in other parts of the world, but it went away in the States. This is what was resurrected back around, oh, I don't know, 1819. I'll put the year up in there so we can see, but you see the Ford Ranger's even gotten larger from this generation to that. What I'm proving here with what I'm talking about is mid-size trucks are the full-size trucks of the 90s. I'm not joking. If we had a 1988 or a 1990 Silverado or something, F-150 sitting there, that would be about the same size. Chevrolet's little small truck is the Colorado. But anyway, all I'm saying is small trucks from back in the day, mid-sized trucks, that's what they were. Now they're this. Look how big that thing is, girthy. Anyway, small Truckville. I've been playing in them big pigs over there for a long time. Anyway, thanks for listening to me run my sucker. Do you like the OG Ford Ranger? Was it a motherfucking Ford Ranger for you? Have a Hobley.